Good morning. This is Diane, DNF Properties. It's been a while since I've checked in on video, and I thought I'd give you a quick message on video today. We have open houses back, which is wonderful. Not quite at pre-COVID levels, but they're back. We do have requirements. You need to wear a mask, social distance. There's a limitation of the occupants in the home or the guests in the home, and there is a sign-in sheet required, basically for contact tracing. So those requirements will be in place, and the listing agent or the showing agent will probably be monitoring those. There is cleaning requirements as well, so you can feel safe. But they're back, and we can go see homes without appointments on open houses. So if you're interested in touring some homes, feel free to give me a call, 408-221-6602 or 408-270-9776. I'd be glad to show them to you. If you're a seller thinking about selling and wanted to get more information on your home, give me a call as well. It's still very hot. There's still multiple offers. Prices are going over asking. So it is a wonderful time to be a seller. A little bit more hard to be a buyer, but it's a good time to be a seller. Again, call me anytime, and I'm here for you. I'm here to answer any of your questions. And if you do also have loan information, loan questions, I do loans as well, so I can answer any of those questions for you. 408-270-9776. Thanks for checking in on me, and we'll see you soon, and enjoy this beautiful weather and beautiful day. Thanks.